presence of green plants at home or office not only adds beauty to the surroundings but also can have a positive impact on person's lifestyle and thought process. These plants can make our mood pleasant and increases our potential of working. According to landscape architects, plants such as aloe vera, schefflera, rio discolor, pelargonium etc. can affect our mood positively and also relieve us from stress. It increases our capacity to work. As per one of the survey made by a professor of Washington State University, it has been revealed that if plants are also included as part of the decoration of the interior of the house, it keeps the family members stress-free since green surroundings directly affect our mood. Similarly, using plants in office also can benefit the employees. According to researchers, presence of plants increases our potential and capacity to perform better at work by 12%. Those suffering from high blood pressure can observe lower level of systolic blood pressure if they are surrounded by green plants. Plants circulates fresh air. New buildings and walls look really attractive with bright colors, but because of this element called volatile organic compounds, VOCs, get assimilated in the air. As a result of this, person develops different types of allergies and respiratory problems. One of the researchers of NASA has stated that in above stated condition, if person keeps green plants in newly constructed buildings, it helps in circulation of fresh air and also deactivates the VOCs present in the air. Thus, they purify the air. It reduces noise pollution. According to result of a survey done by University of Washington, in case plants are kept properly in an office premises, it helps to reduce the noise level in the surrounding. Experts feel that indoor plants restrict the way of sound waves, thereby reducing the level of noise. Green plants in a retail outlet not only add to the beauty of the place but also impress the customers. Thus it helps sales executives in achieving their targets and make profits for the company. Plants act as air purifier. Several ornamental plants such as orchids, epiphytic bromeliads, and succulents consume the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere and release oxygen. It is insisted upon that in a house or office compound of 100 square feet, 2-3 green plants should be kept. At the same time, one should also keep plants at a distance of 6 to 8 cubic feet from their bed, television or computer. This will provide a good and soothing atmosphere while working on computer or relaxing. Several nursery owners also insist on keeping mint, ginger or lemongrass and similar herbs rooted in pots. The presence of these herbs affects the environment and surroundings in a positive manner, and fragrance of these herbs relaxes human mind. Plants also eases out tension and stress. It is said that presence of plants at home relieves a person from mental stress and tension and thus relaxes his mind. As we all know, green color has positive effect on person's psychology and eases out tension. Thus, if a person is tired, in a bad mood or undergoing stress, then sight of these green plants can uplift his mood and relaxes his mind, body and soul. Sight of green plants and colorful flowers makes a person's mood better in few seconds. Fragrance of flowers helps in reduction of stress hormone in a person who's undergoing stress. Plants also lowers down temperature. One more known benefit of indoor plants is that they help an important role in reducing the humidity level in the atmosphere. Presence of green plants at home keeps the temperature low. Higher level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is one of the important reasons for increase in temperature. Environment experts state that increase in temperature leads to rise in number of lizards and insects like spiders at homes. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the Jump Health. Thank you for watching.